Rosetta. You're black as hell.
Ooh, sweetheart. You sounding a little miserable and insecure. Do better, honey. Do better. I am just waiting for the lovely day when people stop making people feel insecure about the skin complexion that they are. Like, that shit is corny. Like, I've been told several times that I was black as hell, and I'm like, that's okay, that's fine. You can't affect me because I'm comfortable in my skin. And baby, I'm cute, and I guarantee your dad will want me. Now, I know that's a little harsh, but still, like, people love to determine somebody's looks or how perfect and good looking they are based on the skin complexion. Like, listen, just because somebody is lighter than someone doesn't mean they look better, and just because someone is darker doesn't mean that they're ugly. No. I've seen some gorgeous women of all skin complexion. Like, it doesn't matter if they were light or dark. What people need to start doing, and this is about to sound really mean, but base people looks on genetics and not a skin complexion. But personally, I just feel like, don't talk shit. Don't go out of your way trying to make somebody feel bad about themselves because you're fucking insecure about who you are. Like, get the fuck out of here. Like, in my opinion, only people who go out of their way to tell someone they're black as hell and all of this shit is because they're insecure. They're not comfortable in their own skin. You can't affect somebody who loves the skin that they're in, who is very much so comfortable with themselves. I've been told so many times, like I said, you black as hell. I don't care. I do not care. Like I said before, people will always have their opinions, and it's up to you to say fuck you. Like, that's just how I feel. People need to stop. Like, this really has to end. Like, if you want to talk shit about somebody, keep it to yourself, or even tell a friend that you know not going to say anything, but never go out of your way to make someone feel less because you feel less than what you are. But I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you like what you see and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.